Ready for a fun adventure? Hi, I'm Donna. That was me in the beautiful countryside of Pennsylvania. About 7 years ago, I was at Bushkill Falls. Today I'm going to share with you my personal pictures from there. Bushkill Falls is located in northeast Pennsylvania in the Poconos Mountains. If you love waterfalls, wooded trails, flowers, creeks, nature centers, and bees, you'll love these pictures. Have you been here? Please tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching Starcastle Adventures.